Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely kaftan you're seeing on the screen. You can see it's a big sleeve kaftan, so I'm making use of this fabric to cut it out, and I'm making use of 4 yards of this fabric to cut it out. So the body is going to be 3 yards, so I'll be folding out 3 yards because of where the sleeve is. So I'll be folding out 3 yards in 4 places. It has been folded into 4 already. As you can see, this is into 4. This is for both back and front. So the first thing I'm going to determine here is going to be my full length of the kaftan or the dress. So the full length here, I'm making use of the whole length of the fabric, which is going to be 50, I think it's, yes, 58 inches. You can see this is 58 inches, and the 58 inches I'm not going to cut it is with the seam allowance. I think the actual length for my client is 56, so this has added 2 inches for me, so this is okay. After that, I'm going to determine the length, the sleeve length. The sleeve length I'm seeing here from where I started from, this is 25 inches as I'm starting from here. 25 inches, as you can see. So the remaining fabric is not equal, that's why I didn't take the table to the end of the folding. You can see, so I'm stopping at that 25 inches. So after that 25 inches, I'm going to notch it. Let me notch it out by using chalk. Let me chalk it, yes. After that, I'm going to make use of my shoulder slant of 1 inch. Shoulder slant of 1 inch. You can see. Then I'm going to slant it up to the center of both back and front using my ruler, like this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do here is to take the wideness of the sleeve, which I'll be making use of 21 inches from here. That is after the shoulder slant. I'll take the wideness of the sleeve to be 21 inches. You can see this is 21 inches here. Then I'll now take the wideness of the body. I want the wideness of the body to be 16 inches. That is in 2 places, that's 32. Then in 4 places, that's 64. So I want to take that 21 inches here too, but here it's going to be 22. You know, there's no shoulder slant here, so that's why I'm making use of 22 inches here. So I will have a straight line to the wideness of the sleeve. That's why I did it like that, just to have a straight line. So after that, I'll now take my wideness of the body. Like I told you, I said I'm making use of 16 inches. That is 64 wideness. So for the opening of the leg, I think that is okay, 64 inches. But we're still going to take a seam allowance, you know, at both sides. So maybe we left it 62 inches, but I think that will be okay as well. So you can see this is 16 inches from here. So under 16 inches, you can see. So just to have a straight line, I'm taking down to the full length, 16 inches. So I'll now connect them together before I can now cut it out. The next thing here is to cut it out. So I'm starting from this area to the shoulder slant. Then the length of the sleeve, you can see I'm cutting that excess away to 21 inches wideness. Then I will now go in to 16 inches, 16 inches wideness. Then from here, I cannot go straight down to the full length. So you now see how the shape of the kaftan is. You can see. So we are done with the cuttings. The next thing here is to cut out the neckline. The wideness of the neckline here, I'll make it of 3 inches. Then the deepness is going to be 1.5 inches for the back. Then I can now cut it out. After that, I will take away the back, then cut out the front. So to cut out the front, you need the length of that's the depth of the neck, because I'm not cutting the exact neckline on the dress at the thumbnail. So I want to make a quick neckline here. So the depth we need here is let me make it 9 inches, and here is it. This is my 9 inches. Then the wideness of this area is going to be 1.5, so that by the time I open it, it should be 3 inches. You know, this is in fold. So you can now connect it slantly to the neckline like this. Then I will now replace it with a straight cut. I will also show it to you. So let me cut this out. So you have to be very careful when you're cutting it. Don't let it exceed the lines. This is the one I'm using, a straight cut that I'm going to use around the neckline. You can see the wideness of this now. Then I'll now fold it into 2, stitch it, then take it around the neckline. Then it's going to give us the shape of the neckline by folding it into 2 first, then insert it around the neckline. So I'm going to show you that as well. These are the other ones for sleeve. This is about 4 of these. I'm going to join them together, then make gathers with this, then join into this sleeve. This is where I'm trying to insert the straight cut at that neckline. Okay, I'm starting from the center, you can see. Then I'm going to fix it around the neckline. So let's do it together. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is after stitching everything together. You can see the sleeve, you can see the neckline, and you can also see the other sleeve. You can see how wide and how full the gathers is. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.